Just got timed out, as you saw in the first video. I'm gonna try sending it one more time just to show you. As you can see, I'm gonna get the error code. I'm King of Disputes. We were in a crown match for the GB. I'll show you my router when it gives me the error code, because I know it was just working, because I was just in the match. See error code right there. There's the router. Perfectly fine, internet's on, boom boom. I'm gonna try getting on my internet. I'll show you where we're playing now that it's done. See, we're playing Sweetie Betty. They're a bunch of flutters. There's their names right there. That's who we were just playing right now. As you can see, there's a crown match. They just flooded me. As you saw over there with the error code. Thank you very much. They just flooded me. That is not my forfeit.